Hello everyone. Former President Jacob Zuma has been requested to appear before the ANC's disciplinary committee on Tuesday for defying the party's constitution. The now much anticipated hearing comes after the former statesman publicly announced that he will vote against the ANC in the upcoming elections. The party's disciplinary committee has set down the hearing for the next week, Tuesday at the Zweli House, the ANC's headquarters in Johannesburg. The ANC has been indecisive about whether Zuma is still a party member or not. Zuma is now the leader and the face of the Umkhonto party, which he mentioned in December when he launched the party, stating this is where his vote is going. He said he would not vote for the ANC of President Cyril Ramaphosa and said, "I cannot and I will not campaign for the ANC of Ramaphosa. My conscience will not allow me to lie to the people of South Africa and pretend that the ANC of Ramaphosa was the one of the late former ANC leaders Albert Luthuli, Oliver Tambo, and Nelson Mandela." He said he would remain a member of the ANC but vote for Umkhonto. However, according to the ruling party, that is violating its constitution. The 2024 national and provincial elections will be held on May 29. In January, the ANC suspended Zuma for his support of the MK party. They invoked Rule 25 of the ANC Constitution to temporarily suspend Zuma. The Umkhonto party spokesperson Khumalo told Newsroom Africa that Zuma will be ready and available to face the charges leveled against him. He highlighted that the party will gather outside the ANC house in support. Rumor also has it that the now expelled senior member of the Umkhonto party, Khumalo, spilled the beans about the senior member of the ANC, Zweli Mkhize. He allegedly said that it was Zweli's idea in order for him to join MK party, and Zweli Mkhize allegedly put poison in the food that was supposed to be eaten by Msholozi. Fortunately, Zuma didn't eat that food. Had he ate that food, he would have been dead by now. It is also alleged that Zweli is the one who bribed Khumalo. That's why he's been on shopping spree. He allegedly bought 2 houses in Palito and the Land Cruiser. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.